What's up guys, it's Chris back in the driveway with another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to change your cabin air filter on your W212 E-Class Mercedes-Benz. On this model, this is a 2014, but it's specific to every W212 out there. Let's go ahead and get started. So we're on the passenger side of the Mercedes, and sometimes most cars have their cabin filter inside the glove compartment. But on certain Mercedes, this glove compartment is air conditioned. So if you have some drinks, you could keep them in here and it'll keep them cool. It won't, cool them down as like an ice box or a freezer, but it'll keep it chilled. So these Mercedes, they don't have the cabin air filter inside the glove compartment. The cabin filter is located in this panel right here. We have 3 screws that we have to remove, and they are Torx T20. I'm going to put all the tools in the descriptions, as well as the filter that I used. The filter that I used is this Breathe Easy cabin filter. This filter I picked up off Amazon, and it has over 6,000 reviews. So I wanted to see if this could be a direct fit and how this exact air filter fits and works. Let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I did was I removed the carpet. You see there's no carpet, and to make things easier, this panel comes across and it gets hidden behind here. This actually folds up, and you could just pull this out of the way and tuck it down, and you have like a little storage compartment for maybe you're driving around with some things you're not supposed to be driving around. This would be one of the best places to put it in. So over here on this side is the first screw. Remember guys, righty tighty, lefty loosey. And these are all Torx T20. If you have any Torx kit or mechanic set tools, this is the Torx screw right here. So there's 3 of these. Let's go ahead and get the other 2. I also moved the seat to the furthest back position, as well as I'm sitting on the floor outside of the car, so you can get to these. If you're a smaller person, or you want to have your kid unscrew these, you could do that. They could just go upside down. You can see the panels coming down as we're loosening the screw. Cool. So 3rd screw came out. Panel looks like we can just pry this off. So it looks like it's tucked into this area here. Just remember that when you want to put everything back together. Alright, we have some cables that we have to unplug. Looks like this is for your light bulb. And there's another clip for a sensor of some sort. You can just get this panel out of the way. We'll just leave it on the bottom for now. So the actual air filter is right here. So this is the air filter. We have another fan. The whole AC system is right here. This actually is supposed to slide down, and then you could pull it out. You can see how dirty this is, and the filter is something that you want to change, you know, once a year or every 15,000 miles, you know, whichever comes first. So we have our new filter. We're going to go ahead and slide it back into place. So this is in your unlocked position. Gonna have to bring this up a little bit and get it into your locked. There you go, locks right into place. Once that's installed, we could bring this panel back up. Let's get this connector back in. As well as the one for your light. Now remember, just pull back on this panel so you could tuck this one in, as well as get this one tucked into this panel. And there you go, everything's back into place. We're gonna go ahead and put the screws in. And you want to make sure these are all snug, because if you are driving around, this will rattle, and you don't want to have your passenger go through that experience of, you know, hearing some sort of rattle, especially when you're in a luxury car. And go ahead and put this back. This folds on. Everything is snug. Let's go ahead and test it out. So I'm going to go ahead, turn the car on. Let's turn on the air. You see the results. You see how easy it was to install this air filter. Please guys, don't go to the dealership. Don't go to a place where you get your oil changed and have them charge you 50, 60, even $100 for this. So something you could do in your driveway, in your garage for 20 bucks. You could get this kit off of Amazon and you could do it yourself and save yourself a lot of money. Again, with this air filter, the little plastic part that locks everything into place, you might have an issue with that and it might not fit. But remember, you could always use the plastic clip off your old air filter that you take out. You could just slide that off, it'll pop into your new air filter, and you could just use that to secure it in place. So if you guys are frustrated, don't return the air filter. Just use the plastic piece that's on your old air filter that you pulled out that fits, and that should fit right on your new air filter, and you could slide that on. Guys, if you're here for the first time and you like this video, please hit that like button and please subscribe. Thanks for watching.